Hi, and welcome to the First Time Setup Wizard Guide. When you install the COVID-19 supplies database, you will see the First Time Setup Wizard screen. From here, you will select one of the following options according to your needs. Select option number 1 if you want to use the COVID-19 supplies database on your computer only, meaning you don't want to share your information with others. This option is recommended if you will use the database for your personal usage and you won't be able to share the data with other people. If you want to share the data you collect, you need to go to the option below. Select option number 2 if you want to set up the COVID-19 supplies database to share with others in your office network. This option will allow other people to connect to the data you collect, see and work on it. To do this, you will need to create a different folder from the one created by default. And save the database there. This will be the path for other users to connect to. Once you create the folder and you select it, you can click on Configure. The welcome screen will pop up and you are ready to get started. Now, if you want to have access to your partner, co-worker, or another volunteer's original data, meaning who first set up the database and has been feeding it, you are going to choose option number 3, link to an existing shared COVID-19 supplies database on my office network. This means you will connect to another person's data and you will see the data he or she collected so far. You will be able to see and work on that same data. To do so, you need to select the shared folder previously created. We will link to the existing COVID-19 suppliers database at this path and click Configure. The welcome screen will show up and you are ready to get started with your shared database. Thanks for watching. If you need additional support or want to suggest new features, please let us know at covidsuppliesdatabase.com. Thank you.